Are you one of those people that are at the moment are struggling? Let's face it, that you earn it, they tax it. You buy it, they tax it. You sell it, they tax it. You drive it, they tax it. You live in it, they tax it. You die, they tax it. So let me take you over to my laptop because I want to show you a passive income. This is real, this works, and it can work for you today. So look, we got this guy here in our Telegram group. He says, my first over 1K day. So he made in 24 hours $1,049.41. This guy here for his first week, look, he says a good week. Next month will be a few hundred. So he's got his first week and he's generated an income of $74.12. I mean, look at this user. Hi all, Sushi is rocking 6 hours old bot. So he's been running this bot for just 6 hours. In 6 hours, it's made 19.17%, giving him a profit of $95.84. So look at this one. This grid bot started 5 days ago, an average of 1.3% per day. This grid bot, an average of 2.4% per day. I mean, look at this user here. He's got a decentralized robot running on PancakeSwap via his MetaMask wallet. He's got 41.15% on that bot, earning him $54.73, and 68.78%, earning him $27.51. Let me show you some more. Look at this guy. He says, I love to see charts like this, full of bot profits. Look at this guy. 1,000%. Amazing. Finally hit 1,000%. You've got to love it. He's made $500. Absolutely mind-blowing. And you can find all these testimonials inside our Telegram group. If you want to create yourself a free account on Jonny Blockchain and then come and join our Telegram group, you can interact with these people and see that they're real people that are making real passive income. Look at this. How about this for a day's work? Jonny Blockchain's trading bots. Crazy. $7,639.19 in 24 hours. Look at this guy. 1,092%. He's made $218.33 in passive income. I mean, look at this guy. He says a great week. Let's have a look at the image. You can see there, in 24 hours, he earned $623.11. In the past 7 days, $2,024. And in the past 30 days, $2,705.36, all in passive income using the Jonny Blockchain trading robots. Let me show you some more. Look at this one. He says, a bad market, we are still pushing. 10 days now. So he's got $635 in the last 24 hours, $1,857 in the last 7 days. Look at this user, 72.46%, giving him a profit in passive income, $72.46. This one, 105% ROI, giving him $105.21 in passive income, $58.94 in passive income. I could go on for hours showing you the testimonials from Jonny Blockchain users. This guy here, $392.71, an ROI of 392.7%. How cool is that? And as you can see there, this bot was created on the 2nd of December. The date today, the time of making this video, is the 9th of December. So if we take that ROI and divide that by the number of days that the bot's been trading from the 2nd of December up to the 9th of December, and we divide that by 7 days, that's an ROI of 56.1% per day. Absolutely mind-blowing. Would these figures help your bank account? So if you're interested in really creating a passive income where you stay in control of your funds all the time, they either stay inside your Binance account, in your wallet there, or they stay inside your MetaMask wallet, Jonny Blockchain can create you a passive income. Head over to jonnyblockchain.com. That will bring you to this screen, and click on this blue button and create yourself a free account so you can have a look round. And then when you're ready
For just $25 a year, you can activate our centralized trading robot, where you could set up as many trading robots as you like for that $25. Or you could pay $25 a year to set up our decentralized trading robots. And again, you can create as many trading robots as you like for that $25. Or of course, you could set up both centralized and decentralized for just $50 a year. Jonny Blockchain is a real passive income. Come and interact with our members and see that the testimonials I've just showed you in this video are 100% real. Click that link below. Create yourself a Jonny Blockchain account today, and you can be earning today. And you immediately get access to your funds, your profits, because they stay inside your wallet all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now. Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.